Yes, so good morning to my people waiting out there. My own name is Papa Jojo. And meanwhile, well, as you just they look this morning, you they look say, what do we get for now there? Or top channel 105 Wazobia TV for top start time. This morning, we are giving a ground level training program where you get to do with stretch and the stamina training program to help you feel high level stretch. And from there, you go take them up to your cardio movement from your stand. So just follow your count the way I put my leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Meanwhile, you go see the way I put my leg. It is somehow tough. But you too say if you don't go do a thing, you not go give up. Try to meet up like say you use me as your mentor. 5, 6, 7, then return back. When you return, you go stretch to flex. 2, like that. You push up your butt so that you go feel the tightness from the waistline. 3, you go like that. 4, then 5. Then you change over 5 of the left. 1. As you do, you go to feel the impact from your stomach and your obliques. And this is a part of the training program where you need to join together with your stomach working training program. Then 5. Then you all and hop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and this one and the last one, then just try to walk up your legs straight. Then you just come up. Then you fall up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You see this one? If you observe, with the one way you don't do from the ground floor program, it almost look alike. Say yes. As you just try to meet up the program, you'll see say, both of them, they build out the same impact from your stomach. So just try, and you're going to feel the impact much from your thighs and your waist and your hips. You will feel and say, I always get bad shape hips. Then I'll say congratulations to you. From waiting Wazobia, they help you build out. Just try to follow up the two way they do like this. And as they try to meet up, while away the pain, no look the pain, then just continue more with your constant training. You will feel say yes, your hips, they try to come in back to shape. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then 8, you change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, then 8. Single now. 1, you return. 2, you not gonna give up. 3, you see, the more you go hard, it look tough on you, but no let them get you out of encouragement. Because as you do them on high counting level, it be like say yes, you go out of your pain. So just follow up. 3, like that. 2, then change over to the other side. You go 1, 2, feel them more. 3, 4. Look your obliques. 5. You see the way they shape out. 6, 7, 8. Now double. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then change over. You go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now single movement of both sides. Now you take up. 2. Now see this one. Another level where you take up. 2. Your knee not go bend. 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Now on the last one, hold, no rush. Feel the impact. Your leg gonna shake. Don't let that discourage you. By the time you just drop, it go be like they put stone for your leg. And by people who are just there out there where they follow us up, just try to take them up on the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5. After that one, even before we'll just try to continue, I just really want to appreciate you. Say, don't forget, say now top channel 195 Wazobia TV for top start time. Now you watch this special program. My own name remain Papa Jojo. And until next time, don't forget, say no pain, no gain. So, see you. Practice make perfect. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
una know say una just enjoy the video they wanna just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. No darling.